Your immune system is your shield. It stands as your body's first line of defense, constantly on guard to protect you from the myriad of harmful invaders that you encounter daily. It protects you from harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria. These microscopic threats are everywhere, but your immune system is always ready to fight them off, ensuring you stay healthy and strong. It's a complex network of cells and organs working tirelessly to keep you healthy. From white blood cells to lymph nodes, each component has a specific role in identifying and neutralizing threats. A strong immune system means fewer sick days and more energy for life. Imagine waking up every day feeling vibrant and ready to take on the world, all thanks to your body's incredible defense mechanism. You can support your immune system naturally. Simple choices like selecting fresh produce and taking essential vitamins can make a significant difference in how well your immune system functions. Food, lifestyle choices, and natural remedies all play a role. Eating a balanced diet rich in nutrients, staying active, and finding time to relax and meditate can all contribute to a stronger immune system. It's about making small, consistent changes for a big impact on your health. Incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine can lead to long-term benefits, making you less susceptible to illnesses. Let's explore how to fortify your body's defenses naturally. With the right knowledge and tools, you can enhance your immune system's ability to protect you. We'll uncover the power of immune-boosting foods, natural remedies, and lifestyle tweaks. From the vibrant colors of fruits and vegetables to the soothing properties of essential oils, there are countless ways to give your immune system the support it needs. By understanding and implementing these strategies, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier, more resilient you. So let's dive in and discover the secrets to a robust immune system together. Think of your plate as a prescription for good health. The right foods provide the nutrients your immune system craves. Fill your plate with a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients act like soldiers, defending your body against harm. Eating a variety of these foods ensures you get a wide range of these protective compounds. Remember, eating for immunity is not about deprivation. It's about enjoying delicious whole foods that nourish your body and strengthen your defenses. Citrus fruits are like bursts of sunshine for your immune system. These vibrant fruits not only brighten up your plate, but also pack a powerful punch of nutrients that are essential for maintaining good health. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are all excellent sources of vitamin C. This essential vitamin is known for its ability to boost the immune system, helping to ward off colds and other illnesses. Including a variety of these fruits in your diet ensures you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. This vitamin is a powerful antioxidant that helps your body fight off infections. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. A refreshing citrus smoothie or a glass of freshly squeezed juice can be a delicious way to start your day. Vitamin C boosts the production of white blood cells. These cells are the body's primary defense against infections, acting as soldiers that seek out and destroy harmful invaders. By increasing your intake of vitamin C, you can enhance your body's natural defense mechanisms. These cells are crucial for attacking and destroying harmful invaders. Without a sufficient number of white blood cells, your body would struggle to fight off infections and diseases. Regular consumption of citrus fruits can help maintain a healthy immune system. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your water or enjoying an orange for a snack can make a difference. These small changes can have a big impact on your overall health. Citrus fruits are versatile and can be easily incorporated into your daily meals, whether it's a tangy lemon dressing on your salad or a zesty lime marinade for your fish. Make citrus fruits a regular part of your diet. Stock up on these fruits during your grocery trips and keep them within easy reach at home. Encourage your family to enjoy them as well, making it a fun and healthy habit for everyone. Your immune system will thank you. By incorporating citrus fruits into your daily routine, you'll not only boost your immune system, but also enjoy a range of other health benefits. So go ahead and indulge in these juicy, delicious fruits and feel the positive effects on your body and mind. Red bell peppers are a nutritional powerhouse. They contain more vitamin C than an orange. They are also rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining the health of your mucous membranes. These membranes act as a barrier, preventing germs from entering your body. Include red bell peppers in your salads, stir fries, or enjoy them as a crunchy snack. Don't underestimate the power of these colorful vegetables. They add flavor and a boost of immunity to your meals. Section 5. Broccoli, a tiny tree with big benefits. Broccoli may look like a tiny tree, but it packs a powerful punch when it comes to immune support. This cruciferous vegetable is rich in vitamins C and E, as well as fiber and antioxidants. Broccoli also contains a compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Enjoy broccoli steamed, roasted, or stir-fried for a healthy addition to your meals. Make broccoli a regular part of your diet and reap the immune-boosting benefits. Section 6. Garlic and ginger. Flavor and protection. Garlic and ginger are not just flavor enhancers, they are also potent immune boosters. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, known for its antiviral and antibacterial properties. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce inflammation and support immune function. Add garlic and ginger to your soups, stews, and stir-fries for an extra layer of flavor and protection. These aromatic ingredients not only enhance the taste of your food, but also provide valuable health benefits. Section 7. Natural remedies from your kitchen. In this section, we will explore how everyday items in your kitchen can be powerful allies in maintaining and boosting your health. Your kitchen is a treasure trove of natural remedies that can support your immune system. From the spices in your pantry to the fresh produce in your fridge, many common ingredients have medicinal properties that can help you stay healthy. Ginger tea, turmeric, probiotics, and echinacea are just a few examples. These ingredients are not only flavorful additions to your meals, but also offer significant health benefits. Ginger tea, with its soothing warmth, can help to soothe a sore throat and reduce nausea. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, making it a great remedy for various ailments. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin is known to help reduce inflammation and may even play a role in preventing chronic diseases. Adding turmeric to your diet can be as simple as sprinkling it on your food or enjoying a warm turmeric latte. Probiotics found in yogurt and fermented foods support gut health, which is closely linked to immunity. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for a strong immune system, and incorporating probiotics into your diet can help maintain this balance. Echinacea, a popular herb, may help to reduce the duration and severity of colds. This herb has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is believed to stimulate the immune system, helping your body fight off infections more effectively. Incorporate these natural remedies into your routine to give your immune system an extra boost. By making small changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can harness the power of these natural ingredients to support your overall health and well-being. Remember, the key to a strong immune system lies in a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest. So, next time you reach for a snack or prepare a meal, consider adding some of these natural remedies to your kitchen repertoire. Section 8. Sleep your way to stronger immunity. Sleep is essential for a healthy immune system. When you sleep, your body repairs and rejuvenates itself. This includes your immune system, which needs adequate rest to function optimally. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Prioritizing sleep is one of the best things you can do for your overall health and well-being. Section 9. Hydration, your body's best friend. Water is essential for life, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system. Staying hydrated helps your body flush out toxins and transport nutrients to your cells. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water throughout the day. You can also sip on herbal teas or water infused with fruits and vegetables. Make hydration a habit, and your body will thank you. Section 10. Move your body, boost your immunity. Regular exercise is not only good for your physical health, but also for your immune system. Exercise helps to improve circulation, allowing your immune cells to travel throughout your body more efficiently. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Section 11. Stress less, live more. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. When you feel stressed, take a few deep breaths, engage in a relaxing activity, or connect with loved ones. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Take care of yourself, and your immune system will be better equipped to protect you.